lot of creators out there, photographers, videographers, like to accumulate gears. Whenever they hear about any new gear coming out, they will be saving up to buy a new gear, probably without selling the one they've been using before. And this acquisition of equipment can actually be overwhelming, especially when you don't actually use them the way you want to be using them. So instead of just keeping them at home, you can actually make money renting out all these gears. Take for instance, I have all this equipment. This is my lens. This is 24-70 lens that I've been using for the last 3 years. Also, I have this Sony camera here. I have Sony A7 III here, which is my first Sony camera, which I've been using for a very long time now. Also here, you can see in this little purse here, I have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is here, which I got sometimes last year. Apart from all these, I also have the GoPro Hero 10 here, right here with me. And also, in my arsenal of gears, I have this as well. This is the Sigma 70-200 f2.8. And on this camera I'm using to record, I also have the Sigma 85mm 1.4 on this camera I'm recording with. So all these gears I'm talking about, even here I have the Holy Land microphone, which I'm using to record this video. Here I have the Godox AD300 Pro. I have 2 of these. This is one and this is another one of it. So which means I have 2 of these. Just imagine having all these gears in your arsenal and you are not using them every time. So they will just be there collecting dust. Instead of just leaving them in your bag or leaving them in the storage, you can actually make money renting out these gears. In the United Kingdom, we have a website that we normally use to rent out gears. And this website actually is very good. I've been using the website for quite a while now. I'm going to show you the website and how you can list your gears. This website covers your insurance. If anything happens to your gear, they can actually refund you. So if you want to make money with all these gears, with the gears you're using right now, or you have some extra gears in your storage somewhere, you can actually go to Google and just type rent out my photography gears. Or you can actually write rent out my camera or something. And this will give you a series of websites. In the UK, we have so many websites. We have Busy, we have Scouty, we have Video, we have a lot. But the major one I've been using for like 2 years now, which is very, very good, is called Fatslammer. I've been using this website since I bought my Sony A7 III. And to be honest, this website have actually been helping me to rent out my gears. It's very easy for you to list any of your gears on this website. So I will take my time today to actually show you how you can register on this website. I'm not affiliated with this website in any way, but I'm just doing this video to help you so that your gears will not be collecting dust in the storage. Let me see what I can create a listing for. Okay, let me say I want to create a listing for my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for this camera here. First thing I need to do, I need to go to Google and look for the image I want to use for it. So let me say DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Then I'll go to images. I'll see probably one of the best images. This is not big enough. I'm looking for something bigger. Okay, I'm going to save this. You can save as image. Save this as well. I'm going to save this. So right now, I've searched for the images I want to use for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 to list it on Fatlama. After saving all these images, I'm going to copy the name. Then I'm going to go to Fatlama. If you want to use Fatlama for the first time, you need to register on the website. I've already registered, so I don't need to register again. I'll just click on create listing. And this is going to load. It's going to ask me what categories do I want to put my listing. So there they have construction, equipment and tool. They have electronics. They have film and photography. They have home garden, party, sports and leisure, vehicle, others. But for me, since I'm listing a photography gear or film gear, I'm going to click on photography. And from here, I'm listing a camera. So it's a digital camera. I can put it under DSLR or mirrorless, anyone. I can put it under. So, and it's going to ask me to describe my gear. So I'm going to put DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And for more details, I can actually go to where I searched before on Google. I can go to all. So I can see, go to DJI website. From here, I can see this description here. So I can copy this description, come back here, paste the description. It's asking me to upload the picture. You remember the picture I saved from Google? I'm going to upload all of them. And this website actually allows you to upload up to 8 photographs. So up to 8 pictures. For me, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm only uploading 3. So it's asking me here the price which I want to rent it out. For this camera, well, I can say I want to be renting it out for £50 per day. So for 3 days, instead for me to put 150, I might reduce the price to 120. So 7 days, 5 times 7, that's 35, 350. So I can leave it for 250. And for location, I'll put my location there. And for these cancellation times, I leave it on flexible. And the value of the item is 600. So once this is done, just click on publish. The listing is now published. So easy. So which means, as you can see here, this is what I just listed. So if I don't like the picture, I can click on it and edit the ad. I can actually remove the picture and choose the first one. That to be the first one, this to be the second one, and this to be the third one. After doing all that, I can update ads. The ad has been updated. As you can see, it's been listed here. I hope you've gotten something from this video. If this video has really enlightened you one way or the other, remember to like, share, and comment if you've been renting out your gears, where you've been renting out the gears, and how much have you been making from renting out your gears. And also let me know, because if you rent out your gears on Fatlama, you can give rating to the person you borrowed your item to, and also they can also give you a rating. Kindly share your experience in the comment section as well. Share your experience if you've been renting out your gears. I want to hear from you. I will see you in the next one. Remember to subscribe. Bye for now.